Hello everyone, I'm Randy from YCN. Today it's my pleasure to introduce YCN, Yongji Machinery Industries to you. YCN has 68 years of experience in the machinery industry and it's the most experienced machine tool builders with the biggest factory area in Taiwan. What's special is that we have our own foundry and it's located in the same place as our factory. Based on this concept, we can control all the process and make sure the quality in every step. Nowadays, all businesses have to change the way to correspond to the difficulties and challenges. Only the ones who are able to be linked with digitalization transformation can solve the issues of labor shortage and unstable quality of personnel efficiently. For this, YCN provides IQ and DC Connect, serve as connection between cloud and IoT to build an environment of smart manufacturing. It includes three factors: smart automation, smart machines, and smart management. Let's start from smart automation. The first example is our NFS 400A with our MPS, Intelligent Multi-Pilot System, which is available from 6 pilots to 10 pilots. With MPS, maximum workpiece size of up to diameter 400 mm times 210 mm, and high precision ball screw on S, Y, Z axis, directly driven by servo motor, providing rapid feed rate up to 36 meters per minute. The second example is our NSP 106AS with our flat cell intelligent flexible manufacturing cell. Our flat cell is a module solution with the flexibility for further expansion. The application is for quick product changeover for small batch productions. Not only for flexible expansion for extra 1 to 2 storage systems, but also fast installation of efficient plug and produce. The second factor is smart machines. Because of YCN domain know-how of machinery industry, we self-developed PC-based iCube. The idea for creating self-aware system by putting sensors into main components to monitor temperature vibration, flow, pressure, current, pH value, and PLC signals. One application example of our iCube. In the past, the operator rarely knew the machine condition from its appearance. In other words, the machine accuracy is not consistently being controlled. The concept of our IQ is to collect machine data for self-awareness and analysis to be able to achieve self-adjustment. Nowadays, our smart machine with IQ is able to perform real-time monitoring of machine. This allows for zero downtime, but also will have health-predictive diagnosis of the future. The final factor is called smart management. YCN DC Connect cooperates with .0 to provide functions such as shopfloor reporting system, SFR, equipment monitoring system, ENS, and work in process, WIP. For SFR system, paperless prevention of errors and digitalization for personnel attendance management. For ENS, it includes real-time monitoring anytime, anywhere. The manager has all information of his machine shop, with complete information of each machine, such as cutting condition, alarm history, and even analysis, output of availability management. The information analysis is also part of building big data. From SFR and ENS, the WIP could make detailed lists of personnel work time and machine production information. By reviewing the production sheet, it can easily make production management much simpler. Even OEE rate report can easily point out the company's improvement target by exact statistics. The customer feedback is that the average production efficiency in 3 months is at least increased by 15%. Thank you today for your time. If you would like to know more about YCN, welcome to visit our website and contact us. Our team will get in touch with you with the solution.